This informational video is brought to you by Luscombe & Co, letting agents in Newport, South Wales.
Ideally, if you want to rent out your property, you should use a letting agent to avoid the common property and tenant-related pitfalls. The reason for this is that if something goes wrong with the property, the letting agent is there during the day and sometimes in the evenings to deal with any problems that may occur. Letting agents can also help you through the rental process and aid your understanding of the legal documents and requirements. Letting agents can let prospective tenants into the property at all times of the day, a task which is often too time-consuming for many landlords to undertake. They will also ensure that everything is in good working order before and during the tenancy period. Letting agents can also advise the best methods to prepare your property for rental in order to ensure that you have the best chance of a speedy rental and fewer problems that can arise during a tenant's stay. A well-presented property will let quicker, as well as be able to fetch a higher rental, which is an investment that will pay off for many years to come. Many people are deterred by the thought that using a letting agent may be expensive, but the charges that a letting agent makes can vary dramatically. It is essential that before you sign up to any letting agreement with an agent, you are very clear on all of the different charges that they are going to make, not just at the start of the tenancy, but throughout the tenancy, and even if you want to renew the contract at the end of that tenancy. You will likely find that the services provided by a letting agent are well worth the cost, because of the time and problems that they can save you. Inexperienced landlords are susceptible to making many common mistakes that can cost them time and money in the long run. These mistakes involve not correctly tenant-proofing the property, badly constructed rental agreements that do not adequately protect the landlord or the tenant, bad rent collection methods, inadequate vetting of tenants, and various other pitfalls that can easily be avoided with the advice of an experienced letting agent. The rental contract that you're likely to sign through the letting agent is the tenancy agreement between you and the tenant. The tenancy agreement is something that the letting agent typically administers, which they will ensure is constructed in a fair manner to best protect all parties. The letting agent can also handle the collection and protection of the deposit, as well as timely collection of all rent. The agent will also be able to undertake the arduous task of taking inventory of all fixtures, fitting, and furniture before and after each tenancy. They know exactly how it should be done and how to best avoid potential arguments with outgoing tenants over items that may have been broken or damaged during their tenancy. The agent will also be able to provide ongoing inspections and are able to best advise how to remedy certain problems that may occur with the property as they arise.
This video was brought to you by Luscombe & Co, letting agents in Newport, South Wales. Call them to discuss your property needs as a landlord or prospective tenant on 01 633 265 222.